What's up? It's Vinny. So today we are replacing the steering pumps in my old ass pickup. If you want the specs on this thing, it's a 1977 Ford F-150 with a straight 6 engine. That's 300 cubic inch inline 6. The motor was common on Ford models from 1964 all the way to 1996. That's over 3 decades, which is quite impressive really. My truck uses a steering pump from 1984 F-150. If your vehicle doesn't exactly match mine, don't fret because the concept is mostly the same for all small trucks in this era. So let's get started. Go. Pulled the old one off. Got ourselves the old one pulled off. Here's the new one. The mount's empty. I'm gonna pull the washer off the old guy here. Let me stop this guy. Boop, boop, boop. Took the old lid. I'm gonna put that on the new guy. And we're probably about halfway done. Have it. We have a fresh new pump. I'm gonna have to replace the lid on this. I'm gonna have to buy that separately, but we replaced the power steering pump. Here's the old one, old dirty one. It was leaking. It was actually leaking on the bottom. That's why we had to replace it. Now we have it. And then we have a new one, and we're good to go. Sweet. And that only took like half the day.